Are you sick of creepy crawlies invading your home and battling them with toxic chemicals? It's time to evict those pesky pests using nothing but everyday household ingredients. Today, we will spill the beans on natural, non-toxic ways to rid your space of unwanted intruders. You don't need harsh chemicals or pricey exterminators. Grab a few items from your pantry and follow our simple tips. Don't let pests ruin your day. Watch now and take back control. 1. Baking soda. Baking soda is a common ingredient in the kitchen. However, not only is it a versatile item for baking, but it is also a powerful tool to combat pesky pests. Its ability to neutralize odors and absorb moisture makes it an effective natural remedy to eliminate insects. When sprinkled around entry points and potential nesting areas, such as under sinks or along baseboards, baking soda can kill and send ants and cockroaches packing. Moreover, its abrasive nature makes it excellent for scrubbing away insect trails or residue left by pests. The alkaline nature of baking soda also disrupts the pH balance in insects' bodies, leading to their eventual demise. Whether you use it alone or combine it with other household ingredients like vinegar, baking soda offers a non-toxic and environmentally friendly solution to pest problems. 2. Ammonia and vinegar. A combo of ammonia vinegar creates a potent concoction that discourages pests and kills them on contact. Ammonia has a strong, pungent odor that can overwhelm insects such as ants and cockroaches, causing them to flee from the area. Meanwhile, vinegar's acidic nature disrupts the pheromone trails left by pests, making it difficult for them to navigate and communicate with each other effectively. The strong scent of ammonia combined with the acidic properties of vinegar makes it an effective homemade pest control remedy. It is particularly effective against rodents, making it an ideal option for those seeking non-toxic pest control. Mix equal parts of ammonia and vinegar in a spray bottle to create a potent repellent that keeps pests at bay. Not only does this solution repel pests, but it is a cost-effective and sustainable method for pest control using cheap items. So next time you spot pest activity, reach for the ammonia and vinegar mixture as an eco-friendly alternative to chemical pesticides. 3. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is a versatile and effective natural ingredient for repelling pests in the home. Its tangy scent is a powerful deterrent for rodents, spiders, and ants. Mix a few drops of peppermint oil with water in a spray bottle for a potent homemade pest control solution that is safe and non-toxic. In addition to its pest-repelling properties, peppermint oil also offers therapeutic benefits for humans. Its refreshing aroma improves mental alertness and alleviates headaches. Moreover, the antimicrobial properties of peppermint oil make it an excellent addition to homemade cleaning products, keeping your home free from pests while promoting a clean and fresh environment. 4. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is an aromatic spice commonly found in kitchens around the world. It is more than a flavorful addition to baked goods and hot drinks. This versatile ingredient is an old, natural deterrent for pests such as ants, cockroaches, and mosquitoes. The strong scent of cinnamon disrupts the trails ants use to navigate, warding them off your turf. Moreover, cinnamon's natural antibacterial properties help keep pests at bay by creating a hostile environment. Sprinkle the spice in areas where you spot pests, such as around entry points or potential food sources, to create a robust barrier against unwanted intruders. Its pleasant aroma makes it a more appealing alternative to chemical-laden pest control methods. Next time you deal with household pests, use this humble spice to send them packing. 5. Vanilla extract. Vanilla extract is a beloved staple in the culinary world, and it's not just about adding rich flavor to baked goods and desserts. Surprisingly, it is also an effective household ingredient for deterring pests. The potent aroma of vanilla repels insects, such as mosquitoes, ants, and flies. Mix a few drops of vanilla extract with water and spritz it around doorways, windows, and other entry points. It will discourage those pesky creatures from invading your living space. Not only is the sweet scent of vanilla pleasant for humans, but it is also a non-toxic alternative to chemical insect repellents. This natural approach keeps pests at bay and creates an eco-friendly living environment. 6. Herbs. Herbs are great for adding flavor to your dishes and have incredible pest-repelling properties. Take basil, for example. This aromatic herb is a staple in Italian cuisine and can also deter mosquitoes and flies with its strong scent. Placing pots of basil around outdoor seating areas can repel pesky pests while adding a delightful fragrance to the air. Another herb with pest-repelling powers is mint. Aside from making refreshing teas and cocktails, mint can also repel ants, mice, and spiders. Planting mint or sprinkling the dried leaves around entryways or windows can create a natural barrier against these unwanted guests. Other excellent herbs for repelling pests include lemongrass, bay leaves, and catnip. You can create a harmonious and pest-free environment in your home by harnessing the power of herbs while enjoying their numerous culinary benefits. 7. Garlic. Garlic is a humble kitchen staple that packs a powerful punch. While most of us know garlic for its culinary uses, its aroma and potent properties are an effective natural pest repellent. Many pests detest its strong odor, including mosquitoes, ants, and some garden-damaging insects. Incorporate garlic into DIY pest control solutions to harness its repellent abilities. One popular way to use garlic as a pest deterrent is to create a homemade garlic spray. Blend fresh garlic cloves with water and strain the mixture into a spray bottle. Spritz the solution around doorways, windows, and other entry points to create a barrier that pests will avoid. Meanwhile, planting garlic in your garden can help deter common insect pests and protect nearby plants from potential infestations. With its multiple applications and natural effectiveness, it's clear that garlic is not just a kitchen essential, but also a versatile tool for managing household pests naturally. 8. Citronella Oil. Citronella oil is an old insect repellent, thanks to its strong aroma that deters mosquitoes and other pesky pests. Extractors derive this fragrant essential oil from the leaves and stems of citronella plants. Its effectiveness lies in its high citronellol and geraniol content, potent compounds that repel insects without harming humans or pets. In addition to its bug-repelling properties, citronella oil also boasts therapeutic benefits. In aromatherapy, it has stress-relieving and mood-boosting properties. You can keep pests at bay while creating a soothing atmosphere by incorporating citronella oil into your household routine. From lighting citronella candles during outdoor gatherings to adding a few drops of this essential oil to DIY cleaning products, you can use various creative means to harness the power of citronella oil. 9. Clove Oil. Clove oil, derived from the clove plant, has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments. But its usefulness extends beyond medicinal purposes. It's a powerful weapon in the fight against pests. The pungent scent of clove is a natural repellent for insects such as ants, mosquitoes, and moths. Dilute clove oil with water and spray it around entry points or infested areas for an effective barrier that deters pests. What's more, not only is clove oil a great repellent, but it also possesses insecticidal properties. When insects come into contact with the oil, it can disrupt their nervous system and lead to their demise. It's an eco-friendly and non-toxic way to eliminate pests while keeping your home safe for children and pets. Adding clove oil to your pest control efforts adds a pleasant aroma to your living space, making it a win-win solution for humans and nature. 10. Cayenne Pepper. Cayenne pepper is a secret weapon to eliminate pests. Its fiery heat is unbearable for insects and rodents, making it an effective and natural deterrent. Sprinkle cayenne pepper in areas where you spot pests to create a hostile environment they will avoid at all costs. When combined with water and a few drops of dish soap, cayenne pepper creates a lethal solution to spray around entry points to discourage pests from entering your home. Not only does cayenne pepper add flavor to your favorite dishes, but it is also an effective tool in combating pesky pests. Therefore, it is an essential addition to any household arsenal. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of pests using baking soda. Thanks for watching and bye for now.